Hello and welcome to the REL Acoustics how-to video series. In this video, we'll be discussing how to factory repack your REL, whether you're moving or sending it in for service. The first step is to remove all wires from your subwoofer and wipe off any dust with a soft cloth. Then, place the cloth bag over the REL. Place one of the foam pieces in the box. Next, place the subwoofer into the box top side down and fold over the corners of the cloth bag. Please make sure the sub is seated in the foam correctly. Depending on the model, it does matter which direction the grill is facing in the box. You can tell by looking for an indent in the bottom foam that allows the grill to fit. Lastly, put the other foam piece on the bottom and place the high-level cable, power cord, manual, and grill into the foam cutout. Tape up the box firmly, and you're done. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe for more REL Acoustics videos.